Hello and welcome back to Zimist Coded. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight both the active row and the active column in Microsoft Excel, automatically and dynamically. This is a really useful trick when working with large spreadsheets, especially when you want to keep track of exactly where you are in the grid. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a crosshair style highlight that follows your selection, making your navigation smoother and your data easier to read. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl-A to select the entire worksheet. Now go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and choose New Rule. We're going to create a formula-based rule. So in the dialog that appears, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. To highlight the active row, type this formula. Click Format, go to the Fill tab, and choose a soft background color, just something to make the row stand out without making the text hard to read. Click OK, and again, click OK to apply it. Next, let's set up the highlight for the active column as well. Again, go to Conditional Formatting, click on New Rule, and once more choose Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. This time, type this formula. Choose a different fill color, ideally one that complements the row highlight. Click OK, and then again to apply. Now you'll notice that the row and column are highlighted, but only for the currently selected cell when the rule was applied. If you click around, nothing updates. That's because Excel isn't recalculating the cell function on its own. So let's make that highlight dynamic. Right-click on the Sheet tab like Sheet 1 and choose View Code. This opens up the VBA editor. In the drop-down on the left, select Worksheet, and on the right, make sure it says Selection Change. Now, type this line of code inside the procedure, target.calculate. What this does is force Excel to recalculate the formulas every time a new cell is selected. Close the VBA window. Let's go back and test it. Click on any cell, and you'll instantly see that both the active row and the active column are now highlighted. The highlight follows your selection perfectly, creating a crosshair-style effect that helps you stay focused, especially when working with large tables or wide data sets. This technique can really boost your productivity by helping you quickly track where you are in your spreadsheet. If this tip helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical Excel tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.